Hi, my name is Ed Reyes with Master Builders here in Tampa, Florida, and I'm representing Expert Village. We're going to show you how to use a reciprocating saw properly. Like always, when using a power saw, safety is always first. And I always recommend you use these safety glasses with the bent edges so that your eyes are completely protected. So always wear safety glasses whenever using any kind of power tool. First thing you want to do is plug this unit in. Make sure your hands stay away from the blade. And it's a very simple tool to use, but it can be very dangerous if it's not used correctly. So always be careful and always be safe. Now, also concerning safety, you always want to check your end plugs and your pieces going in and make sure nothing's frayed, everything's proper. I do recommend wearing gloves for this type of tool because this tool will shake as you're using it. So you need to have a proper grip on it. One of the safety features here is to grab this rubber area. You want to stay away from this section of the tool because it will heat up on you. You want to stay away from the blade. It's very safe. It's very, very important to be safe and stay away from that blade. When you're cutting, you want to have a straight arm for safety, and you want to put pressure because that saw will kick back on you. It has variable speed, so you want to be careful when you're using that. Safety-wise, the best thing to do when you're using this machine is have respect for it because it's a very powerful tool, and just be careful, be safe, and make sure you stay away from that blade.